Have you ever wondered how jellyfish survive without a brain? It's an intriguing question that can baffle even the most seasoned marine enthusiasts. Jellyfish, these captivating marine creatures, have been around for millions of years, all without the need for a centralized brain. Instead, they rely on a decentralized nervous system, known as a nerve net. This nerve net is a network of nerve cells scattered throughout their bodies. It enables jellyfish to detect changes in their surroundings, whether it's the presence of food or potential threats, and react accordingly. Essentially, this nerve net acts as their brain, allowing them to perform necessary life functions, from moving and feeding to reproducing and defending themselves. So it's safe to say that jellyfish are able to effectively navigate their watery world without the need for a centralized brain. Jellyfish don't have brains, but they do have something called a nerve net. This is no ordinary network but a simplistic system of nerve cells that are spread throughout the jellyfish's body. This nerve net is the silent orchestrator of the jellyfish's survival, helping it detect changes in the environment, be it the presence of food or an approaching threat. Now let's delve a little deeper into the sensory structures of these brainless wonders. Meet the rhopalia, a jellyfish's very own radar system. These are specialized structures that house sensors to detect light, orientation, and even certain chemicals. They're like the jellyfish's version of eyes and ears, aiding them in navigation and locating food. So despite the absence of a complex brain, the jellyfish's nerve net and rhopalia work together in a beautiful symphony of survival. Thus, even without a brain, jellyfish are quite adept at sensing their environment and acting accordingly. Scene script: jellyfish are more than just floating blobs. They are efficient swimmers, voracious predators, and successful reproducers. Let's begin with movement. Jellyfish, despite having no brain or central nervous system, are not just passive drifters. They can swim by contracting and relaxing their bell-shaped bodies in a rhythmic, pulsating motion. This is all controlled by their nerve net, a simple system of nerve cells spread throughout their bodies. The nerve net triggers the muscle contractions necessary for propulsion, allowing jellyfish to navigate the vast oceans. Feeding for a jellyfish is a predatory affair. Their tentacles, equipped with specialized cells called kinetocytes, act as their hunting tools. These kinetocytes contain tiny, venomous harpoons that fire when the tentacles come into contact with prey. The nerve net coordinates this complex process, helping the jellyfish to move its tentacles and mouth to efficiently capture and ingest its prey. So, while they may not have a brain, jellyfish are far from being passive feeders. Now let's dive into reproduction. Jellyfish exhibit a fascinating ability to reproduce both sexually and asexually. In sexual reproduction, many species release eggs and sperm into the water, where fertilization occurs. The nerve net, responsive to environmental cues, signals the right conditions for spawning and plays a crucial role in the release of these gametes. This decentralized nervous system allows jellyfish to reproduce successfully, often resulting in sudden population booms known as blooms. So what's the takeaway from all this? Well, it's that jellyfish, despite their simplicity, are quite remarkable. They've evolved a decentralized nervous system that, while not a brain in the conventional sense, allows them to perform complex behaviors. They can navigate their environment, hunt and capture prey, and reproduce, all without a centralized control center. In other words, jellyfish have found a way to swim, eat, and reproduce, all without a brain. Survival in the ocean requires more than just finding food and reproducing. It also requires defending oneself from predators. For jellyfish, this defense comes in the form of their stinging cells, or kinetocytes, located on their tentacles. These specialized cells pack a potent punch, injecting toxins into anything they touch. But how do jellyfish know when to fire these microscopic weapons? The answer lies in their decentralized nervous system, the nerve net. When a potential threat touches a jellyfish's tentacle, the contact triggers a response in the nerve net. This in turn activates the kinetocytes, causing them to fire and inject their toxins. This defense mechanism is automatic and efficient, allowing jellyfish to quickly respond to threats without the need for complex processing or decision-making. And there you have it, the fascinating brainless life of a jellyfish. It's proof that nature always finds a way, even without a brain.